Hello there everybody. In this video we'll be going over how to set up subscription products using WooCommerce and the WooCommerce Subscriptions extension. We'll also be going over the basics of how to manage those subscriptions. This video will be a basic overview, so if you want a more in-depth look at what WooCommerce and the WooCommerce Subscription extension, that is a mouthful, can do, then I will link to the WooCommerce documentation down below. It's well written, it's not hard to understand, and it goes over everything that this plugin and extension can do. Let's dive into it. Alright, the first thing that we're going to cover is how to set up a simple subscription. So a simple subscription is just a subscription that doesn't have any variation or options. So for example, let's say that you are offering a book subscription where every month you shipped your customer a new book. That would be a simple subscription because it doesn't have any options. They just sign up, each month they receive a book. A variable subscription would be, let's say it's that same book subscription, but they can choose what genre of book they want to receive, or maybe you offer an option to ship some snacks along with their book, something like that. We'll cover variable subscriptions in a moment, but for right now, let's set up a simple subscription. To do that, first come to Products, and we are going to click Add New. If you've added products to your site, then this all looks very familiar. What we're going to do is we're going to come right here where it says product data, and we are going to add a simple subscription. Now you can give your subscription a name, a long description, a short description. You can add pictures if you want, all that good stuff. Alright, so for our actual subscription data, first of all, if you're offering something that's not going to be shipped, like a service, for example, then make sure you click virtual, or if it's an item that they download, make sure you select that. Okay, now we can add the price for our subscription. So let's say $5, and now you can determine how often they are going to pay that $5. So is it every month, every day, every week, every year? Maybe you want to do every third month, so that would be quarterly. So just choose what your subscription payment schedule is going to be. So we're going to go with $5 every month. Now you can choose whether or not you want your subscription to expire. If you have it at never expire, as long as they keep paying for the subscription, they'll keep receiving the goods. Let's say though that ours is a 1-year subscription, so after 12 months the subscription ends. Here you can add a sign-up fee, so this will be a fee when they sign up in addition to the subscription price. So let's say we are charging another $5 to sign up. Alright, you can also offer a free trial if you would like, so you can specify the number of days, weeks, months, years that you want your free trial to go for. If you don't want to offer a free trial, just leave it at 0. It should be noted though, even if you offer a free trial, if you have a sign-up fee, when they sign up for the free trial, they have to still pay the sign-up fee. You can get around that with a coupon, but at that point you might as well just not even have a sign-up fee. Here you can have a sales price, so if you want your subscription to go on sale at some point, you can put in your sales price and then schedule when you want that sale to run. Here in shipping, right here we have this option called one-time shipping. If you enable one-time shipping, what that will do is it will charge shipping on the initial order, but then not charge shipping on any of the following orders. So an example of that might be if you were offering software and you shipped them all the software on that initial order, but then they have to continue to pay a subscription in order to use the software, then you might enable one-time shipping where you're only going to be shipping on that first time. And then here in advanced, we have this option called limit subscription. If we have it set to limit to 1 active subscription, then if they have an active subscription, then they can't sign up for our subscription again. They would have to cancel their subscription before they sign up again. If we have it set to limit to 1 of any status, then what that means is if they have signed up for our subscription and then canceled their subscription, they still can't sign up for our subscription again, they just have to resubscribe. So that keeps people from signing up for the free trial, canceling, and then signing up for another free trial. Alright, really quickly I will put in a title and description and whatnot, and then you can see what this would look like in the store. Alright, and there we go. We can see we now have our subscription created. Now let's go through how to set up a variable subscription product. Like we said earlier, that's a subscription where you have different options. So for example, with our book subscription that we just did, maybe we add some options on what genre of book they can subscribe to. To set it up, come to Products and click Add New. Come to this drop-down menu and you're going to click Variable Subscription. Now you can see it's going to look a little different than our simple subscription, but don't worry. We're going to come to Attributes and we're going to click Add. First of all, you're going to give it a name, so we're going to say genres. Now we're going to enter in our different variations. So, for example, we can do adventure. And in between each one, we're going to separate it with I forget what that is called, a line. I forget what that's called. Adventure, romance, drama, mystery. Okay, that'll be good. We are going to click here where it says used for variations and then save attributes. Now we're going to come here where it says variations. Click on this drop down menu and click create variations from all attributes. Click go and it'll bring up this, say OK. It says 4 variations added. Now you can see we have our 4 different variations here. Go ahead and click next to your first one and you can see that we can set up all of the subscription data for our first variation. After you finish that, click on the second one, same thing. So here we can go through and we can add a sign up fee. Let's say it's $5 to sign up. A subscription price, let's say that it'll also be $5, and here you can choose how often they'll be paying the subscription price. So we have it set to every month, but we could set it to every day, week, year, as well as we could choose every second, every third, so we could do every third month, but we're just going to stick with every month for right now. We can choose whether we want our subscription to expire, and we will make it a 1-year subscription. So after 12 months, this subscription will expire. If we want to set a sales price, we can do that and schedule when it'll go on sale. And then we can add product dimensions, shipping class. All that stuff will be dependent on what product you're offering. Let's say that you had a lot of variations here, and they're all going to have some of the same information. So let's say that the sign-up price and the subscription price on all of them is going to be the same. What we can do is we can come to this drop-down menu, and let's say set regular prices here. Next, click go, and you'll see it'll give us a field here. Let's enter $5 and click OK. Now if we go through, we can see our subscription price has been changed to $5 for each of these. So we did that in bulk. Once again, in shipping, just like on the simple subscription, we have this one-time shipping option. And if you didn't watch the simple subscription section, basically what this does is if you're only going to be shipping something on the first order and not on subsequent orders, what this will do is it'll charge shipping for the first order and then not charge shipping on following orders. Once again, in advanced, we have the limit subscription option, and what this will do is if we set it to limit to 1 active subscription, then if they've already subscribed, then they will need to cancel their subscription before they are able to subscribe again. Or if we have it set to limit to 1 of any status, what that will do is even if they've signed up for a subscription and then canceled, they won't be able to sign up again. They'll just have to resubscribe. If we're offering a free trial, it keeps them from signing up for the free trial, canceling the free trial, then signing back up for the free trial. I will quickly fill this in and then show you what it looks like in the store. Alright, and now we can see we have this subscription, but now they can choose what genre of book they would like to receive. Okay, now that we have set up a few subscriptions, let's go over very quickly the basics of managing your subscriptions. If we come to WooCommerce and click on subscriptions, that will bring up a list of all of our current subscriptions. So as you can see, at the moment, somebody named Bookworm, definitely a scam, subscribed to our book club subscription. If we come over here, we have 2 options. We can suspend this subscription or we can cancel it. If we click suspend, what that will do is it will pause the subscription, so there will be no more payments from the customer and we will not be shipping our subscription to them. If at some point they want to reinstate it, you just come right here and click reactivate. If we want to permanently delete this subscription, we come to cancel and then cancel now. Now you can see it's been canceled and we can move it to the trash where we can permanently delete it. Beyond just suspending or canceling a subscription, we can also edit the subscription. So if we come to WooCommerce and subscriptions, then we can click on the subscription we want to edit. I only have one right now, but you're going to do is click right here where it gives the number of the subscription. And that will allow us to edit the subscription. So, for example, let's say we wanted to change the next payment date. We could come right here and it says next payment. If we click there, as you can see, it will bring up a calendar and we can change when the next payment date will be. And then click update. And now we have changed the next payment date. Alright, well, good job. That was a long video, but now you know how to set up a basic subscription product, a variable subscription product, and how to manage those subscriptions. Hopefully you found this information to be helpful, and I will see you next time.